As you can see, it did a beautiful job mulching and cutting our lawn. So after using this Greenworks lawnmower compared to our gas lawnmower, what do you think?
It's heaven. I wish we bought this earlier. It's lightweight, it's not as noisy, and the self-propelled part is a huge difference. And I'm not exhausted like I am with the push mower. I could just do the lawn in one effort and be done with it.
Plus it's quiet, right?
It's super quiet.
And no fumes. So we're going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Works really well.